Hi, my name is Ahmed, and I'm the operations manager at FleetSpark. At FleetSpark, we specialize in helping trucking businesses get on the road and stay there. This is video 11 in our Trucking 101 series. In the previous video, we covered truck financing, whether it's smarter to work with a financing broker or apply directly with a lender. In this video, I'll show you how to evaluate a truck purchase the right way. Because your first truck isn't just a vehicle, it's the core business asset that determines whether you stay operational. We'll cover 3 buying paths, the documentation rule that keeps you financeable and insurable, and the inspection checks that separate a good deal from a future repair bill. Most beginners buy their first truck in one of 3 ways. First, a dealership, usually cleaner paperwork and a more standardized process. The trade-off is price. Dealers often cost more. Risk can be lower, but it's never a guarantee. Second, a private seller. Often cheaper up front, but paperwork can be inconsistent. Mechanical risk can be higher unless you have proof of maintenance and a real independent inspection. Third, fleet sales or auctions. These can be strong value if you know how to evaluate equipment. But paperwork can be thinner and inspection access can be limited. For a first-time buyer, the safest path is usually the one with the cleanest documentation, specifically a clear title history, verifiable maintenance records, and a proper bill of sale. Those 3 documents are what lenders and insurers use to decide if the truck is financeable. Just as important, choose the buying path that allows a real independent pre-purchase inspection. This ensures you're not inheriting someone else's expensive mechanical problems. You want a mechanic to assess the major systems, engine, transmission, aftertreatment, and brakes. Then confirm the condition matches the mileage and service records. Practically, that means checking for leaks, abnormal wear, tire tread, and alignment issues. Look for suspension damage, signs of prior repairs, and any mismatch in the story you're told. Start with the drivetrain, because that's the revenue engine of your business. Look for oil or coolant leaks. Check fluid levels and condition, clean versus burnt. And listen closely for any unusual noises at idle or under a simulated load. Confirm if the engine has been rebuilt and verify routine service was done on schedule. Then do a test drive. Evaluate shifting, power delivery, and vibrations. Check for overheating signs as close to real work conditions as possible. Next, assess the truck's physical condition. Tires matter, but even wear matters more. Examine the frame for cracks or excessive rust. Look underneath for impact damage. Check the cab for water intrusion. Ensure gauges, HVAC, and electronics function normally. Before you commit, look for red flags. Coolant contamination or metal shavings are deal breakers. Inspect the frame for fish plating. That can signal a past frame failure or accident. If a seller refuses a third-party inspection, assume you're being kept from fault codes. If you do this correctly, you're not just buying a truck, you're buying predictability. In the next video, I'll show you how to take a truck you vetted and get it road ready. If you're looking at a specific truck right now, reach out to our team at FleetSpark Financial. We'll help you sanity check the spec fit and documentation. Visit us at fleetsparkfinancial.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.